Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about our new playlist called Playwright with the Java. Okay, I have completed some of the things like a Playwright with the Python and Playwright with the TypeScript and JavaScript, and also I have done for C Sharp as well. Okay, now the final language that is Playwright with the Java. This language I'm going to show you like a overview about like how you can set up and how you can able to locate the locators, and those are small information I'm going to providing. Okay, and in case if you have any doubt, you can able to comment on section, and I'll try to implement those things as well. In case if you need more topics also, you can comment on that. Okay, which topic you want to learn. Okay. Now in this session, you can see Playwright with the Java. If you by default, if you go for this Playwright with the dev, inside that we can able to see there are multiple languages, Java, Node.js, Python, .NET. Okay, and Java you have to choose, and then you need to click on the dock, and you can able to see how to set up all the things they are providing. Okay, and if you see right, it is by default the cross browser supporting and platforms and languages also it is supporting, and mobile app also it is supporting. I am elaborating this mobile testing, and in case if I get succeeded for connecting for sample Playwright with any of the language to connecting for mobile app, then definitely I'll upload this particular playlist. Okay, I'm waiting for this to crack. I'm trying that. Okay, and also it will be used for auto wait also with was assertions and tries, and those all information you can able to see here. Okay, you can learn, and previous my videos also introduction is common for all the languages. Okay, you can learn from them as well in that playlist as well. Okay, and here you can we need for some of the things like prerequisites. Prerequisite is basically a Java 1.8 above version. Maybe you'll get for question. Selenium is stopped 1.8. Is it Playwright also? No, no. Playwright can still it support for 1.8. You can able to use for 1.8 or above versions of that. Okay, don't worry for that. And then you need to use for Maven, and finally is Eclipse. Okay, these are the three major things you required. Okay, Java, how to install that I'll show you. Maven, you can follow this playlist which I have. Okay, you can my playlist, you can click on my playlist, and there is a software installation. Inside that there is a called Create Java Project, Maven project. Okay, in this particular location, how to download the Maven project and how you can able to set up that also I have shown that. Okay, if you want, you can learn there as well. Okay, when you once you to come to Google, okay, and here you can search for Java 11 or above versions also fine. Once you click, you can it will go to in this particular location. Okay, then you can click this one. Okay, and here you can able to see for you can navigate into Oracle website, and there you can see for Java 11 versions, and inside that there is a last one. Okay, last to first you can able to see. Okay, that you have to click. Once you click, it is not that much of good. Shit. Okay, it is coming for the same. Now once it is navigated, and then you can able to see checkbox also. Once you click the checkbox, and you can it will enable that particular button. You can click. Once you click, it will give you for login page, and if you have already Oracle account, you can directly log in, and then you can able to sign up, sign in the application, and you can do. Otherwise, you can create a new account, you can do the downloading. Okay, automatically it will download the exe into your download folder location, and there you can able to click double click, and it will open for this visit, and click on next and next and next and finish it. Okay, that is a finishing, and you need to open for cmd command prompt. Okay, and there you have to use for Java version. Okay, if you don't have Java version, you need to search like a Java hyphen hyphen version. Once you specify which version of Java you have in your location, it will show you. Okay, this is the setup of Java, and how you can able to do for Maven. Maven is also similar format, but is a different. There also I have shown, you can check also that also Maven download. Okay, once you click and if you use this will navigate into Apache, and here you can need to zip folder. Okay, based upon your content, you can click here in the binary format of this one, and don't go for the source. You need to use the binary zip achievement, and here you need to download and keep it into your location. Okay, that you can keep for any location, but if you keep here, no, that is a better. Okay, unzip that particular folder and keep it into a C drive location. Okay, store here, and after you have done right, you need to do for path setup. This is a mandatory. Okay, path setup is if you done the wrong, right, then maybe it will not be work out. Okay, for that, uh, edit environment variable, system environment variable. You have to check this one. Okay, click on environment, and here there are two variable. Okay, one is user and system. If you are using for office, right, if your company is provided for this three is enabled, then you can able to use it here. No means here you can able to, it's a temporarily you can able to store your locations. Okay, once here you need to click for a new, and here I use right Marvel. Like this, you have to up to folder location, you need to copy paste. Use for Maven underscore home and use the Apache that version. Okay, once it is done, right, come down, there is a path is presented. Click and click on edit. Once you click on edit, there is a I have set up here. See, percentage Maven underscore home percentage slash bin. The similar format you have to set up for a Java as well. Percentage Java home slash bin. This is the thing you have to set up the path, both the path. Once you're done, can click for OK. OK. That is called a Maven setup. Okay. Simple it will goes. Okay. MVN space hyphen hyphen version. Once you provide the version, it will provide you for Maven version as well as Java version. Both the versions it will provide you. Okay. If it is providing right, is a successfully you set up the perfectly. If you are not getting some error means you are not set up properly your path. Okay, and then Eclipse is basically you have to download that Eclipse as a new versions, and then you can use for next day automatically it will install for everything. Okay, no need to bother about it. But while installing right, it is takes some more time to install everything, but it will install you. Okay, there is no much complexity in the installation of Eclipse. Once you've done the Eclipse, now our major concept is going to use for Playwright setup. Okay, for the Playwright setup, what we need to do? First, open Eclipse. Open Eclipse. These notes I'm going to put in that particular video. You can able to check that video as well. Okay. Uh, First we need to open for Eclipse. Okay. It will take some time. Okay. Mm. Because first time when you are opening right Eclipse by default it will take more time to load. Okay. Once it is done here, you can click the browser, and here you need to choose that which location it is providing, right? That location you can able to choose here. My folder is Playwright Java, Playwright Java. Okay. And we need to click on OK. Now see the my project is selected, folder project. Okay. Once you click, it will coming to that particular folder, it will open. Okay. After opening Eclipse, what we have done? We have done for uh, create a new folder, and then provided new name for folder. Okay, these are the things we done. Okay, third option we need to use for uh, create Maven project. Create Maven project. How we can able to create a Maven project, we'll see now. Okay, once it is Eclipse is open, and then we can able to do it. And then here, once it is open, we can see for create a Maven project. First option we need to use for choose create Maven project. Okay, we are clicking for Maven project. Once it is provided, and here we need to click check the checkbox here and click on next. Okay, here you need to provide the group ID and artifact ID. There are two things we need to provide: group ID and artifact ID. Okay, these are the two things we need to provide. How we can provide? Playwright underscore Java testing. Okay, and we can provide the one I'm providing. Okay, now simple we have test created. Now click on finish and automatically it will create for Maven project. You can see it will build that entire project here. It will ongoing process. Okay, now the build is succeeded. Okay, now you can see here it is there. Okay, now click on Maven project. Okay, pom.xml. Once you click the pom.xml, it will open here. Then we can go to here in this location documentation. Click on the documentation. What you have to do? Open playwright.dev website. Okay, and once it is done, and then choose Java, then click on doc. Okay, once you click the documentation, you can see the installation location. Okay, default, and here you can see the pom.xml is there. Okay, here you can come back, and there is a plugin called dependency. Inside the dependency, this is the dependency. Okay, you need to copy this dependency. Copy this dependency, open our Excel, sorry, Eclipse, and here you can paste it. Okay, now our dependency, now save. First step, copy pom.xml dependency. Okay, paste in Eclipse. Okay, then control plus yes. Okay, now it is downloaded and it is done. Okay, now we are able to now create a now create first demo test case. How to create a demo test case? Here src slash test slash java is there. Right? In here you can click right click and choose for folder. Here use for org or something you can use and demo playwright. Okay. Now this is my one. Okay. Right click on this and click on a file. Sorry, file, not file. Why it is coming Java project package, right? We have to choose. Sorry, a new package, not folder package. We need to choose org dot playwright. Okay, finish it. It is created the package, and then we are going to create for a class file. Okay, here demo and click on public method and hit it. Okay, now you can see my file is created and come back here and they are provided for app.java file, and here there is a code is there right here. You can choose this particular code. I'll copy this all the things. You can paste it here. Not require this all the things. You can keep it. We need to do for sorry. We need to package. We need to install, right? How to install? They are given already in the top. You can see import com.microsoft.playwright dot star. If you mention the star, it will go for all the errors. Okay. You don't want like that. You need to see that whether how it is there. You can use the in the last playwright is there, right? In the last, you can use the cursor. Click the cursor there and control space bar. It will give you for some demo which are the things you have to import. Something it will display in the top. You can see right com.microsoft.playwright. You can click. It will goes. Okay. Then use the browser similar format. Okay. And use for brace and use for create also. Sorry. Create is having some error. Comparing to that, we can use for star itself. Why create is showing as an error. Java getting some problem. Relate. Create options and then create options. This method create option is undefined for the playwrights. Why it is documentation also it is not showing. 1 minute. Sorry, there is a problem called here. Because here I used for while creating, right? It is come for Java JR. It is coming as a 7. Because of that, it is facing the issue. Otherwise, no. Okay, how to find, right? While your mouse over at that moment, automatically it is coming the issue. Okay, I'll show you reassigning. Okay, if you choose 7, finish, apply, and close. Now you are getting the error now. While your message see the resource reference to the interface. Static methods are not allowed only at the source level of 1.8 or above version it is showing. Okay, because of this we are facing this particular issue. Okay, for resolving purpose I have done for this one build config. Okay, then here clicking and click on edit, and then here I used because mine is 11 is there. Because of that I have used and then saved. See, error message is gone. Okay, this is the thing I have done it. Okay, you can able to see that as well. Okay, now right click and click on run and click on Java application. Now in this moment, okay, remember this, you will get uh, output very late. Why means it will take more time to download that entire things. Okay, it will download for all the browsers like Chrome browser and everything. Now you can see Playwright is down shown here. Okay, page title. Okay, now because it will download for Chrome, Firefox, WebKit, those three browser it will download, then it will show. On next onwards, it will not show like that. Okay. Now you can see now we are not seeing the browser because by default it will shown a hidden mode. Okay, hidden mode. It will not open the browser headless mode. Okay, by default headless is a true. Now we need to make false and launch that particular thing. How you can able to do in the launch location use for a new browser type browser type oh shit browser type and then use for launch options. Don't set headless. Okay, false. If you make the false means the browser itself it will open. Okay, now again I'm running this one. See, the browser is open, it is done. Okay, that I will also shown that. Okay, like this we can able to use our first script. Okay, I hope it is entire information for you. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends or colleagues. Thank you.